Dad said not to open this, so I am poking it to see what happens before we rip it open. Whoa! I am ripping the paper off. Ooh, I see a giant jelly bean machine. Wow, it's a bubble machine. I am pressing the big red button right now. Stand back, Bingo, it's shaking. I am trying to catch this one. It's beautiful and growing bigger. I am trying to catch this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's beautiful and growing bigger. Wow. I am dodging these bubbles. Whoa! Oh! I think the machine is stuck on turbo mode. Watch out.
I am finally watering my beautiful roses in peace. No annoying noise today.
I am hitting this bouncy pink blob. Release me immediately. I am a respectable citizen.
Oh, no.
Poor Mr. Pugsley.
I am peeking over the fence. Do you think he noticed the giant bubble, Bluey? I don't know, Bingo. Let's look again.
I am pointing to the rescue zone. Operation Free the Pug is a go.
I am pushing as hard as I can. It's too bouncy. It feels like a giant gummy bear. I am pushing as hard as I can. It's too bouncy. It feels like a giant gummy bear.
I am poking it with my toy, but it won't pop. It defies physics, Bluey. I am taking cover. 8 incoming bouncy discs from the machine over the fence.
I am bouncing out of control. Not the prize-winning roses steer me away.
Oh no! Look out, Mr. Pugsley!
Keep it away from the roses.
I am chasing him down. Gotcha, ya slippery varmint. I'm grabbing on. I am wiping dirt out of my eyes. It is too strong. We need more weight to stop him. I am pushing all the buttons to find the off switch. There are too many of them. I am pushing all the buttons to find the off switch. There are too many of them. I am pressing the blue one. Uh-oh. I think I just activated a different mode. Whoa, what did you do? I am watching them fly away. The machine is shooting sticky blue jelly now.
I am trying to see through this mess. Is it raining blue jelly on me now?
I am pulling my hand, but it's so sticky. I'm trapped in deliciousness. I am tasting the jelly. Wait a minute. This tastes like sweet rain. It's lime flavored.
I am crossing my arms. Finally, my bubble has stopped rolling.
I am walking over to apologize. Sorry, Mr. Pugsley. We just wanted to see if the big ball bounces.
Yeah, the big ball bounces.
I am scooping the jelly into my mouth. Munch, munch. We have to eat our way out of this. I am rubbing my full tummy. I can't feel my paws past all this sugar crust.
I am pointing at the weak spot. We just need something to pop it now. Oh, I see it. Let's find something to pop it.
I am bringing the salad out. Relax, everyone. What in the world is going on with all these bubbles?
I am trying to wipe this off my nose. Why am I eating jelly? Too much fiber.
I am waving at you, Dad. Throw us a plastic fork to pop this bubble and save Mr. Pugsley.
I am throwing the fork over the fence. Incoming spicy disc. Well, plastic fork.
I am watching it fly. It's moving in slow motion. I am covering my ears. Get ready for the kablom.
I am waving this bright glitter out of my face. Cough. I got jelly in my nose.
I am climbing the fence. Retreat! The pug is comically grumpy. No worries, we made it.
I am putting my hands on my hips. I definitely didn't order the magic special. Did you two?
I am pointing at the machine. It's building up for a cheese eruption. I mean a giant bubble eruption. I am pulling Dad back. Move! It's a giant wobbly bubble mountain. I am running to the machine. I have to close the lid. It's the only way to stop it. I am ducking under the bubbles. I've trained my whole life for this moment. I am pulling the lid down. You shall not pass without dipping sauce. Wait, that's not right.
I am pushing the lid with you. Push harder, we can do it together. Ah! We closed it. Look at it float away. We did it.
I am shading my eyes. Wow, it is actually quite beautiful up there.
I am tapping the machine to check it. Well, it's finally quiet.
I am waving my arms at this bright mess. So, who is going to clean all this up?
I am holding up the jelly to the camera. Say jelly. If you want to see Mr. Pugsley bounce again, hit subscribe.
I am holding this mop and sighing. I really miss doing chores the normal way. I am leaning on this mop. There is no way I am cleaning all this blue jelly by myself. I am pressing this button here. Behold, the FutureBot 3000. No more chores for me.
I am looking up. Wow, a flying delivery box. I am pointing at the robot. It looks like a giant shiny marshmallow.
I am clapping my hands. Can we call him Mr. Shiny Pants? I love him.
I am powering on, preparing to serve and clean the colorful yard.
I am relaxing in my chair. Watch and learn. This is the life I could get used to.
I am vacuuming the blue jelly. Yummy and clean. I am jumping up and down. It cleans so fast the grass is sparkling.
Wow, look at that, Bingo.
I am reaching for the remote. I wonder what this big red button does.
I am activating turbo cleaning mode. Eliminate all mess. I am pressing the big red turbo button. Boop.
I am reaching for the remote. I wonder what this big red button does.
I am pointing at my ball. Hey, my beach ball is not dirt.
I am detecting mess in the adjacent sector. Jumping now.
I am watching it fly. Ah! It's jumping over to Mr. Pugsley's yard.
I am scanning a dusty surface. Initiating fluff dry and wash mode. I am waving my hands. Hey, what is this fluffy stuff? Stop it!
I am spitting a bubble. I am too floofy. My dignity is big broken.
I am scrubbing the surface. You are now sparkling clean. I am peeking over the fence. Wow! Oh no! Mr. Shiny Pants is washing the neighbor.
Oh no!
I am wobbling around. Well, at least my vest smells like lavender now. I am tossing these pillows. Where is the stop button? We have to stop him.
I am detecting dirt. Dishwasher mode full speed engaged.
I am running away. Help, the cleanliness is eating me.
Marco!
Polo!
I am chasing the robot. Operation Save Dad is a go. I will get the button.
Oh no! It got away! I am landing on pillows. It is too fast. I missed the button. I am swinging the net. I will catch you, Mr. Shiny Pants. I am switching modes. Spaghetti time initiated. Deliciousness incoming.
I am wearing a spaghetti wig. What is happening? Which button stops the spaghetti?
I am trapping it with the net. I got him, Bingo! Push the button now! I am pushing the purple star button. Please stop the spaghetti! I am pushing it.
Pooh, is it finally over?
Whoa! Yeah!
Yes, Dad. Yeah, so?
I think so. I am watching the confetti. Wow! This is actually the best robot ever. I am watching the confetti. Wow! This is actually the best robot ever. I am twirling around. Party mode is way better than cleaning mode.
I am tapping my foot. Now this is a respectable volume for a party. I am dancing with the mop. You know, I actually miss doing chores the old-fashioned way.
I am pointing at the robot. See you next time. Subscribe for more crazy cleaning tips.
I am waving goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Keep dancing.
I am handing you a towel. End of party protocol. Please wipe your face. I am going to sleep. Recharging batteries for the next joyful adventure. I am tiptoeing away. Let's let him sleep. He cleaned so much today. I am pointing at the sky. Look, Bluey! The robot made a giant rainbow for us.
I guess I'll just clean all this up tomorrow.
I am giggling with my family. Best robot cleaning day ever. I am waving goodbye one last time. See you later.
I am holding a glowing box. After all that dancing, it is time for a delicious pizza reward. I am putting the box down. I ordered the special magic cheese extra large size for everyone.
Yay! I am running to the table. Wow, wow. The box is glowing like a treasure chest. I am lifting the lid. I wonder what magic cheese looks like. I am pulling the slice. Ah! Look at that cheese pull. It defies physics completely. I am grabbing a slice. This looks absolutely perfect. I want the biggest piece. I am looking at the box. Wait, the slice I just took, it grew back instantly. Wow.
I am patting my tummy.
Ah, don't judge me. It is free infinite pizza and it is delicious.
I am stacking the slices. I am building a giant pizza castle for my plush toys.
I am waving my hands. Why is the food vibrating? Stand back, everyone.
I am trying to catch one. Kaabunga! It is raining spicy snacks everywhere.
I am running away! Run, everyone! It is the giant mozzarella monster!
I am looking back. The cheese wave is so shiny, but we need higher ground. Let's go! I am lifting my foot. Wow. It is so sticky. Whoa. I am trapped in deliciousness again.
I am reading my book. What a wonderfully quiet and peaceful afternoon. I am looking up. Hey, What is that wonderful smell coming from the fence? I am sitting in cheese. Why am I suddenly wearing a delicious mozzarella blanket?
I am chewing the cheese. I am very angry, but this is incredibly tasty. I am standing on the chair. The cheese currents are strong today. We must save the yard.
I am pointing at the box. I have to close the lid. It is the only way to stop the magic. Oh, I see. Let's do it. I am wading through the cheese. It is like walking through a giant, yummy marshmallow. I am blocking with my shield. Incoming spicy disc, keep your heads down. Woohoo, Bluey! You got it! I am vibrating. Infinite pizza protocol at maximum capacity.
I am bouncing on the cheese. I am coming to help. Just keep swimming through the mozzarella.
I am climbing the crust mountain. You shall not pass without dipping sauce.
I am sliding down the cheese. I have trained my whole life for this yummy mission.
You did it, Bingo. I am pulling the lid. It is so heavy, the magic is pushing back. I am pushing with you. Push harder, we need to contain the infinite pizza.
I am pushing the box. Heave-ho! Everyone push together on 3.
1,
2.
3.
We did it!
I am looking around. Wow, the box closed and the cheese turned into beautiful flowers.
I am wiping my forehead. That was the most intense pizza delivery I have ever experienced.
And we helped. Hooray for pizza. I am patting my tummy. All gone. I think I need a long nap now. Night, night, Bingo.